Forgive me, I have to keep blowing my nose. My Frankie's fixing the receiver. They're guiding her. Okay, let me see now. Thank you for joining, all of you guys. Noel Ferrer, thank you. Thank you, mga anak ko. Thank you. B, I miss you. B, how are you? Text kita mamaya. May hihingin ako sa'yo. I know you're all jobless now. Even sila Peach, even... Yeah, I know, I feel the same way. Na ano lang kami, na shock kami kasi bigla. Okay na kaming mga artista, yung mga staff at crew lang inaalala namin kasi hirap na nga ngayon dahil sa health crisis na ito. Bakit naman damay pa yung trabaho, di ba? Can you imagine our country without ABS-CBN? I can't.
Tapos ito po, in or out?
This is supposed to be a sound check, a run-through tonight for cameras, for my cameramen who are gonna be remotely, you know, the director who they're gonna be, thank you to technology, they're gonna be directing and doing their jobs through technology, no? Pero we have all the equipment here and my daughters have to help. And my husband too, so... Wait. Look at my Frankie.
And then...
Siya yung tinuturuan sa iPad. Teka, yung ilaw nakaharap. Wait. Hi, Ate Vicky. She's watching through Timo's IG. Wait lang, I'll show you my stuff.
Wait lang natin si Sir Louie. Siya kasi magpapadala ng video.
Yeah, so what do you want from me? Naka-standby na ako.
Pen! Hi, Penny! I miss you!
Everything's open already.
I miss you, Pen! That's my assistant. Hi, staff! Hi, crew!
Hello!
Hello po.
Mickey, is that you? Is that you, Mick?
Hi!
Hi! Look, EG, hi! Oh my God, my heart is in pieces. I love you. I love all of you.
Thank you, Shawi. Thank you for doing this for everyone.
Of course, we need to help. We need to help everybody. And Sagip Ka Pamilya's not stopping, right? We're not stopping. Wait, my uhog is falling. Look at my sipon. Wait. My God. What the... Nashock ako eh. Di ba, Mick? Ito so sudden, AG. Nakakagulat. Biglaan. Yeah.
We just finished the chat with the chairman now, so they promised that they will do everything to get the business back on its feet. So, tulong-tulong tayo lahat.
Yeah, I'm thinking of all those people who are gonna lose their jobs, you know.
Yeah, but they're assuring naman that all help will be extended. So let's just hang on. Salamat talaga, Shawi.
No problem at all. No problem. I hope people donate pa kasi... Sorry. We need more food packs distributed, not just the frontliners.
Yes.
We can distribute to places na hindi pa nagkakaroon ng no? Hindi pa nabibigyan ng...
Yes.
Yeah. Please.
Definitely. Yeah, we'll make sure.
Please don't forget Pasay,
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Answer the call of Daryl. Ako doon.
Yeah. We're live on my IG. Pen, I miss you.
I miss you, Mom. I love you.
It's my assistant. At parang tagal naman ng bakasyon.
Oo. Nahigit 2 months na.
Oo, mukhang basta sana lang mawala na tong virus, Diyos ko.
Daryl, teka. Kasi patayin ko lang yung Viber sa laptop ko kasi kung di papasok yung conversation.
Who's directing this? Kayo, taya?
Sige, ano yung mo?
Kami.
Daryl.
Okay, yeah.
Apa.
Walang pinadalang charger.
Where's Lou? Lou, where are you?
Wala akong